Ah. Ah. No. Ah. Ah.
Chef Bartholomew Ratchet. Or do you prefer Dade?
Ah. Oh.
Your boss is not happy with you, Dade. You are behind on content. The generic assistant is in prison. Your other assistant is dead. The trash gremlin is getting rowdy beyond your control.
The commander I'm going to be running today is Maronar.
We can run.
Yeah, we're helping. Gonna get some wax of reverse clue. So you thought you could escape, huh? And then I passed turn.
Enough. If you won't abide by the boss's rules, I will make you.
Let's get cooking.